Hi, this is Dan from Pool and Spa, and today we're going to do a short how-to video about how to winterize an in-ground pool with a sand filter. So the first step in winterizing your in-ground pool is you have to test the water. So you want to do a regular water test with test strips and make sure that your pH, your alkalinity, and your chlorine are at good levels. The second step is that you want to add the winterizing chemicals to the pool. You can buy these in a variety of brands, a variety of kits. They usually consist of shock, algicide, and some sort of winterizing chemical. The third step is to go down where your filter is and backwash the filter. You want to backwash the filter very thoroughly, especially if it's a sand filter or a DE filter. You want to get all of the dirt and debris out of there, and you want to make sure that it's clean for when you open the pool the next season. The next step would be to blow out all of your pipes. You have to blow out your return jets and your skimmers, and you can usually do this using a shop vac or an air compressor, and you would do that at the pump or at the filter system. The next step would be to take out any sort of drain plugs that you have in the pump or filter. Basically, you want to make sure that there is no water in your chlorinator, your pump, any sort of valve, multi-port filter. You want to have all those things totally drained out so they don't have a chance of freezing over the winter. Your next step would be to remove any deck equipment that you have on the pool. That would include diving boards, ladders, rails, anything that might be in the way of the pool cover when you put the pool cover on. And then the last step would be to get the pool cover, lay it out over the pool. There's a couple different type of pool covers you can have. Some of them require you to put a pool cover on the pool and put water bags all the way around it in order to keep it on. And the other type of pool covers are safety covers, where they actually have springs and an attachment that keeps the cover across the pool, much like a trampoline. So that was a video about how to winterize an in-ground pool with the sand filter, and we hope it was helpful to you. My name is Dan Harrison from Pool and Spa, and happy swimming.